Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection problems on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and unpair and repair the device. We're going to go to settings, Bluetooth, and here I got my AirPods paired. So we're going to click on the gear icon and click unpair device, unpair. And now, as you guys can see, they're in available devices, which is not possible. So now they should be gone after we turn off and turn on the Bluetooth as a quick restart. I do have the AirPods 3 Pro, so I'll just double tap the front case in order to enter the pairing mode, and soon they should pop up. So now we are waiting, they are here, and we're simply gonna click on pair. Now they are paired. And what are we going to do next is check the software updates. So it's very important. We're going to click on the INFINIX Note 60 Pro, click check for updates, and now check for update again. As you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And what are we going to do as a last resort is go over into the system right at the bottom and click reset phone, reset Wi-Fi settings, and here we need to click on reset. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.